Hello everyone, Ceri the Crafter here. That's C-E-R-I the Crafter. I should have picked it up really, shouldn't I? Okay. In 2022, I started Colour Combo. Now, I expected Colour Combo, in all honesty, to last maybe a year. I sort of thought that's what it would be. Little did I know that the artistic creative community was going to embrace Colour Combo in the way it did. And we're now in the fourth year of Colour Combo, which is amazing and fabulous and lovely. And God, has it been a challenge for me personally, because I've made a video for every single one of the color combos and will continue to do so until either color combo is no more or I am no more. Let's not go there. So I was putting color combo onto my website the other day because I update. I think I'm about 2 images behind on the color combo page, and I thought, oh, look at all of these, and I looked back through, and I thought, oh, and I suddenly realised, because I only thought it was a year, and then when we did the second year, I kind of was still in that, oh, it's going to end soon, it's going to end soon, it's probably never going to end. I don't have all of my pieces I created for Color Combo, and I looked through the studio. I've got a couple of the backgrounds. I might have one of the tags. I think I've got the postcards that I created with image transfers on, and I found that quite sad that I've not kept the journey. So I've decided to do something new. Right, Color Combo for you will not change. Color Combo for me, however, now has a new home. Oh, look, the sun is shining. Now has a new home. So this is a new art journal. And what I've decided to do, I tell you what, talk about putting workload on myself. It's all my doing, my dear. I'm the one who sets all of this. I have decided I'm going to go all the way back to the very beginning, which is 40 color combos ago. And I am going to start from the beginning and redo all of them as pages in this art journal. Now, I normally do my art journals in this format. I'm going to do all of the art journal color combos are going to be in portrait. Also, there are a couple of the things I need to sort out. Now, I know there's 40 in the past. So what I've done is I've counted 40 pages, and this marks the 41st page. And then once I've caught up with the 40, then of course we'll be back on track as normal. And I've given it a separate playlist. It's going to be color combinations. I think it's called Reimagined or something like that. And the reason for that is initially color combo was 2 colors plus black, white, and metallic. Nowadays, it's 3 colors, black, white, and metallic, and a mark making element. So for the first reimagined 40, I'm going to take the liberty of, that's wrong, it's not the 40. For the first 10, because there were 10 of them before I changed it into having 3 colors. So for the first 10, I'm going to use artist choice. I'm the artist, and I'm going to add 1 extra color, so I'm up to the 3 colors that we are today. Also, as there's no mark making for quite a period of time, I think it's about 2.5 years with no mark making involved, I'm going to take the liberty of mark making something of my own choice. So when I do color combo, the reimagined one, I'm going to be using this art journal, which is the same art journal I'm using for my art journal backgrounds under 10 minutes. It's also the same style of journal I'm using for my art journal inspiration monthly series as well. So I'm not going to give you any details on this, but know that it's the same one. I have already done 1 piece in it, which I'm going to share with you because it's not color combo, but this is my that's my cover page for this, because the way this journal is, there's a flat paper that I tore out because I didn't want the cover page sticking on the first page. So I've done that. And the fact that I will then end up with an entire journal that is all color combo and coming at it with 4 years experience more than I had before. I didn't have products before, or did I? I had my very first product before. I think it was called Broken Bark, was the very first stencil, and I used that. Or was it a mask? It was a mask. So I'm excited to do this, and obviously I'm setting myself a goal now, because once this journal's filled, guess what? I'm going to have to do another one until I no longer do them. So I'm excited. The fact I've chosen landscape means that if I truly, truly wanted, don't hold me to this, I've truly, truly wanted, that format is so much easier for me to take photographs of, maybe to scan, to use in my social media posts. You never know, I could even make a digital of it in the future. I don't know. The world is my oyster, so let's crack the oyster open and jump on in. I'm Ceri the Crafter. That's Ceri, the Crafter. Until next time, goodbye now.